Hi, my name is Lotfi. And in this video I would like to talk with you about inner peace, the importance of inner peace, what it leads to, and how to reach it in a relatively easy way. So without further ado, let's dive into this. Like, subscribe, and share. So I just came out of a monthly webinar/workshop. It's in Dutch, but it translates to freedom or peace in movement. Peace in movement. And as usual, it was really nice, calming, helping to get insights, different people sharing their experiences, their insights, and that inspires the others. That's why I love group work so much. That's why I organize preferably group workshops instead of one-on-ones, because we learn from each other. And it inspired me to record today's video. Inner peace is a foundation for a better life. Inner peace is a foundation for worldwide peace. Yes, I chose not to go from peace with your friends, peace with your co-workers, and explaining no, worldwide, all the way. It is something that most of us lack. And even if we have it, it's not always there. For the past 2 weeks, wife and kids were gone. And I managed to rebalance myself, to refine my inner peace after all that has happened recently. And there were different things that led to it. The time that I could easily spend by myself, reconnecting with myself, hence recording that video about the importance of reconnecting with self. But also the time I spent working in silence, doing physical work, like building stuff. That helped me release the tension in my body, release the tension in my brain, and from there finding inner peace. And this makes also reconnecting with myself much easier. There are many different things we can do, or maybe we should do, to be regularly in an inner peace state. And I say should, because most of us want to have a better quality of life, want to be more successful, want to be better at whatever we're doing, enjoy more the fun stuff in life. But for that, we need inner peace. Meditation is, of course, the first thing that comes to mind. But for some people, meditation is really difficult. That's why I have on my website a special page dedicated to easy way to learn to meditate, and to meditate just for 3 to 5 minutes at a time. Which for me, when I started back in 2005, early 2005, 3 minutes was the maximum I could do. But it was something I could do, and so I was doing it. longer meditations were impossible for me. But since I managed to perfect 3-minute meditation, I moved to 5, 10, 20 minutes, and later even up to an hour. And even at some point, I remember my first workshop I did here in Romania. I had no clue what kind of workshop it would be. It was just people wanted me to organize a workshop. They said I should do it because they experienced me in one-on-ones. And so they invited some other people. And so there was a group of people, and I was nervous, I did not know what to do. So I decided to start with a meditation because that helps to bring people in the here and now and ground them. And the workshop turned into one long meditation of over 2 hours, where a lot of different things happened during the meditation. I was guiding people in doing those different things. And I was totally astonished afterwards, looking back, like, whoa, I went from hating meditation to do a 2.5 hour meditation with a group. Unscripted, unplanned, just in the moment, in the here and now. And people really loved it. People released a lot of things. People got their insights, got their aha moments. People felt lighter, joyful afterwards. And aside from meditation, there is connecting with nature. Even if you live in a big city, maybe you have a park nearby or a garden, and you can go there and connect with Mother Nature, with Mother Earth. Stand or walk bare feet, hug or just put your hands on a tree. Observe nature. Observe the bees, observe the flowers, observe the leaves, the trees, whatever it is. That brings you the here and now, that helps to calm you down. And that leads eventually to inner peace. And from inner peace, things start to go smoother in your life. Inner peace can come from doing what you love to do. Singing, drawing, dancing, cooking, writing, creating things with your hands. For some people, it's cleaning. But doing it with passion, doing it for fun, not to be the best, to do it perfectly or things like that. No, do it for the fun of doing it. And you'll see that when you have fun doing what you're doing, peace appears. Feel free to ask me for advice on this topic, or to book a session to guide you into a meditation or help you find answers to questions that are really bugging you, and because you're unable to connect with your deeper self, with your intuition, with your higher self. I can do that for you, and then also train you on how to do it yourself. So ask for help. I did ask for help, and I got the help. Most of the times that I asked somebody for help, I got the help in general, but also when it came to working on myself unconsciously and at a certain moment consciously, it really made a difference. And these people did it with love and passion. Um, some I had to pay, some I did the barter with, some did it for free. It really depended on the situation. And I'm talking in general in life, asking for help. and coaching in specific. So I really recommend you to be open to get guidance from people who have mastered one of the things that you're trying to master yourself. It can really help you. It can shorten the duration that it takes you to get to a higher level. Looking forward to hearing from you, and I wish you a wonderful day. Like, subscribe, and share.